Welcome, friends! Today's video is about learning English in a fun way with the chant Dudi Dudi Dam Dam. Stay till the end. Let's learn English in a fun way. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, Dudi Dudi Dam, Dudi Dudi Dam. Repeat after me. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, I eat apple.
Apply? No, wait, that's not right. Apply?
Say it with me. Apple.
Okay. Apple? No, like this.
Apple. Yay! Burger, milk, and rice. Floating all around. We are Noor's friends. Yummy, yummy, yay! I eat rice. Do you eat rice?
I eats rice.
No, say, I eat rice.
I rice eat.
No, I eat rice.
Oh, I eat rice.
Yes! Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, I eat rice. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, I eat rice.
Repeat after me.
I eat, you eat, we eat. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, we eat together. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, we eat together. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, we eat together. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, we eat together.
We eat vegetables. Carrot, potato, peas, and broccoli.
Good job, Mom.
They won't see this. So good. Totally worth it. Burger? No way. Vegetables? Yes, please. I think my cooking is improving.
Oh, really? What's different?
Yeah, it's almost edible.
Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, I wake up early. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, gently empty up and down. Back and forth, sparkly clean, no frown. I'm going to school today, with my backpack on my back. I'm ready for the day. Slide, slide, 1, 2, 3, play across the front of the TV. We are best friends, hey, so we. Sometimes we make mistakes, but that's okay. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, mistakes help us learn. Dudi Dam Dam, mistakes help us learn.
Noor, you've done an excellent job.
Thank you.
You deserve this gold star.
Wow, thank you. Awesome job, Noor. You're the best. Yay! You guys are great. Great job, everyone. You learned with me today. Dudi Dudi Dam Dam, English is fun. Next time, we'll learn with a new chant.